In the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma explained we all are had Daivi Guna and Asuri Gunas. Some people had a very much Daivi Guna. Some people had a too much Asuri Gunas. What is happening? Both quality. So when we have a Daivi Guna, what is Daivi Guna? Love, compassion, forgiveness, and always peace of the mind, and helping nature, controlling the sense, controlling the emotion, controlling the mind. These all are Daivi Gunas. And Asuri Gunas always not control the emotion, not control the mind, thoughts also, and always hatred and not forgiveness, resentment, and jealous. These gunas too much here. The time is we are not happy, we are too much suffering. So always in the Bhagavad Gita, always told you are developing Daivi Gunas. Your life is so beautiful. You are increase Daivi Guna, decrease Asuri Guna. So when we our life is so beautiful like this, many examples are there. Who are holding Asuri Gunas, these people are eradicated is life, not happy. Who are they Daivi Guna, these people are always happy and growing and enjoying his life. So we need to develop divine nature. Thank you so much.